Hello everyone. My name is Bartek Bend, and I am the creator of the Benny Travel Channel, where I combine my two greatest passions, travel and fashion design. Nature, beauty, and landscapes are incredibly important to me, inspiring me every day. Today, I want to show you how they influence my bridal and evening fashion designs, creating something truly unique. Traveling around the world, from the majestic Alps to the Polish mountains and the picturesque landscapes of Europe, I often see young couples organizing photo shoots in extraordinary locations. Whether it's summer or winter, nature always offers something breathtaking. These places are a constant source of inspiration for me, from snow-capped peaks to coastal beaches and vast Swiss meadows. In my 2025 collections, I'll be combining various styles, such as the luxury of Beverly Hills, the elegance of Monaco, the classic charm of Milan, and the uniqueness of London. I draw inspiration from my travels, and each of these styles brings something unique to my collections. I also utilize innovative patterns and technological optimizations to perfect my designs, using advanced technologies such as AI and 3D modeling. This allows my collections to take on a modern character without losing their distinctive identity. I frequently turn to advanced technology to visualize the most intricate details and refine every aspect of my creations. With the help of 3D technology, I create digital models of dresses that I can fine-tune before they become reality. My travels are not just about sightseeing, they are a complete experience. Walking through London's parks, feeling the history beneath my feet, or savoring the Mediterranean atmosphere, each moment sparks new ideas. In my imagination, I can see how a dress would look in those settings, how the fabric would shimmer in the sunlight. These moments are what make fashion come alive. That's why I want you to join me in creating this channel. Share your ideas. What places do you think are perfect for fashion inspiration? I also invite you to comment on how travel has influenced your lifestyle. Together, we might discover new sources of inspiration. In bridal and evening fashion, I strive to stay up to date with the latest trends. One of the biggest trends for 2025 is a return to simplicity and minimalism, combined with luxurious accents. My collections draw from this aesthetic, blending it with bold elements inspired by travels to Monaco and the Italian coast. When designing dresses in the Beverly Hills style, I focus on unique fabrics and individual design to create something not only beautiful but also absolutely unique. From a young age, I was fascinated by creating beautiful things. Fashion is my way of expressing myself, but also a way to capture the inspiration from my travels. Every place I visit, whether it's the bustling streets of London, sunny Monaco, or the majestic peaks, leaves a mark on my designs. Childhood memories of traveling with my parents, full of the colors and beauty of the world, are now transformed into my work as a designer. I also want to sincerely apologize to my viewers and subscribers for not focusing solely on travel or fashion. Both of these passions are deeply rooted in my life's DNA. They are part of me and complement each other. Every trip, every landscape gives me a new perspective on fashion, and every creation I make reflects these places. It's not just about showcasing beautiful destinations, but also creating exceptional gowns that can inspire others. Your comments and support are an endless source of inspiration for me. When I showcase my designs, I feel that it's not just my achievement, it's our shared journey through beauty, luxury, and modernity. Thanks to you, I can realize these dreams. Every video on my channel is also a small work of art. The shots, editing, and music come together to reflect the luxurious and modern style I want to convey to you. Thank you for being part of this extraordinary adventure. Together, we can explore a world that inspires not only with its beauty but also allows us to create incredible designs combining luxury, beauty, and modernity. My goal is for every person to feel special wearing a creation inspired by the most beautiful corners of the world.